experiment. It's called the Snowstorm. And first, we already did a few things, so you didn't have to see me do everything and walk along. So first, you have to take a jar of water and put some white paint like I did right here. And then you have to take some oil, like baby oil, but I used apricot oil. And then after that, you have to add paint, or if you have blue food coloring, you can also add that. And I added paint because I didn't have food coloring. And then then we have to take our paint and then mix it up with the oil that we have. That. And then next, you have to take this medicine. It's called Alka. It's called Alka-Scissor. Like, it looks like this. And then you have to open it. And then you'll have little packs. So I have one pack, and then I have to cut it out right here. Which way is it? And then you have to open it, and you'll find a tablet. It looks like this. And then you'll have to put it inside, I think. Is it working? It's working! It's working! Yeah. It's working. Another tablet, because in each pad there's 2 tablets. And then that's the Snowstorm. That's how you make